This is the Bank Nifty daily charts. Another red candle formed, market still looking fairly weak and created a lower low and a lower high for today. This is the 15-minute chart. This is kind of how the market continued. So yesterday, as I was saying, there was a downward trend kicking in, and essentially the market opened up 200 odd points down. Yesterday the market closed 38,307, and today it opened up 38,113. Yesterday this straddle closed around 543, and today it opened up around 500. So slight decay overnight came in. Now this trend broke, right? So the first candle itself took out this zone, and 38,000 seemed to be the other zone that we had, right? 38,019. Market took that support and rallied up. So, and it essentially stayed between 38,000 and 35,500 odd levels. Um, what we were doing today was keeping an eye on the premiums, right? 500 and odd, 540 odd premium yesterday closing with only 2 days, which means potentially 250 odd premium that was left between today and tomorrow. And today, essentially, what happened was what started at 500 closed at around 395 or so. So there's still considerable amount of premium left for the last trading day. What happened overall is by about 2 o'clock or 2:30, we ended up closing a couple of our accounts, booking them in profit. So we are good. Only a couple of accounts we've kept open with the plan that if the market opens up slightly flat to maybe a little down, we will essentially get that premium decay and maybe in the first hour, hour and a half, close all our positions, ending the weekend profit. But this is kind of what we've been doing, right? We're seeing these moves in the 15-minute chart moving to say the 5-minute chart, and we're seeing a red candle, green candle's high been taken out, and essentially these are opportunities for us to essentially try and take a call. So around here we're trying to sell a put, move, say whatever our stop loss is, say premium is 200, 300 points, keeping a 30, 40, so 10, 12% stop loss, and keeping a target of 1 is to 1. As we're getting more confident in this strategy, we'll be able to build 1 is to 1 to 1 is to 1.5, maybe 2x in terms of risk to reward, and essentially start scalping some premiums that we can get. So today we did that trade one time here, second time here, a third time we did it around here, a stop loss was triggered, and we got a fourth time here as well. So essentially we did it 4 times today, and in that 3 out of the 4 times the stop losses were not hit, and essentially we got the profit, and one time the stop loss was hit. So this is a strategy that we've been experimenting with. This is what we've been studying. This is something that's not um, my own strategy. This is something that I've just learned, so it's really excited to kind of dive deeper into this. But now coming to tomorrow, what our plan is, right? Back to the 15-minute chart. So this 38,000 level is something that's fairly critical. If it cracks that, then 37, 800, 700 levels seem very reachable. And from there, essentially, we've not got any supports. I'm going to go and do some research to see if we've got big candles that can take 50%. But other than that, the next major support is around 37,500. So we're actually hoping that the market opens up flat, maybe even slightly up, so that it stays within this range and doesn't actually crack this zone. But if it does, then essentially this is what we are a little concerned about. But we are hoping that market opens flat, stays slightly range bound, we can get our premium decays, so we can end our week in profit across all accounts.